Hello, students. I just want to welcome you to this basic technology class, and I will just be introducing technology to you. I will be doing it over a series of videos, so it will not be too long. So, what is technology? Let's look at technology as many various things, and we'll be diving more into technology as we go ahead. But if you look around you, you see technology everywhere, from machines to cars, planes, your smartphones, your laptops, even technology that you cannot see, like social media and every one of those things. Technology is everywhere. These are things that makes transport easier, entertainment, and things like that. Now let's go ahead and define what exactly technology is. So technology can be defined as the practical application of skills, ideas, and knowledge to produce goods and services, and to solve problems and improve the living conditions of man. So let me just say, generally speaking, that technology is anything that you use, the application of skills and ideas and knowledge. And there are several skills everywhere. There are skills that help you to do things, there are knowledge that you gain, there are different ideas that comes around. Now, when you apply these skills, apply this knowledge, apply these ideas that you have, and you apply them to solve a problem, you apply them to produce services, you apply them to improve the living conditions of man, this is technology. So anything that we've got that changes the world and makes things faster, makes things easier, makes things more efficient and more effective for us as human beings is referred to as technology. And you can think of various types of technology which I'll be going ahead with. But please ensure these highlights are very important. The practical application of skills, knowledge, and ideas to produce goods and services and solve problems in the society, and then to improve the living conditions of man. So anytime you are defining technology, make sure these key points are identified in your definition, no matter what you however you want to define technology. Now let's go ahead very quickly. What are the different types of technology that we have? In this presentation, I will just speak into 7 different types of technology, and every day many more technology tools and types are being released. But let me just speak about these 7, and then I will just go ahead very quickly. The first one is what we call information and communication technology, popularly known as ICT. These are anything that helps you to communicate, to transfer knowledge, to transfer information from one space to another. So from your smartphone, your tablet, your laptop, helps you to communicate. You can send an email, you can be on a Zoom call, helps you to transfer information. Even your smartwatch transfers information from your device to your watch, your wrist, your smart glasses, anything that has to do with communication. Even your smart TV is an example of ICT, anything that helps you to transfer information. Next is what we call the product technology, and product technology has to do with the production of things, products, things that you can see around, from your blender to your microwave, your toaster, anything that can be produced that you can see, your camera stand, your lighting, anything technology that you can produce. Now, don't make a mistake between this and ICT. Anything that you can produce, anything that technology can produce and you can see, is what we refer to as product technology. Now, the third type is medical technology, and medical technology is very easy to see. Anytime you visit the hospital or anything that helps to improve the health conditions of man, to improve, to heal, and to sustain the conditions of man in terms of health, is referred to as medical technology. So your X-ray machines, your BP machines, the screens, the scanning machines, everything that you use in the medical field that helps you to improve your health, helps you to sustain your health, helps you to maintain your health is what we refer to as medical technology. Let's look at the remaining ones very quickly. Education technology, definitely I will speak about this. This is any technology that we use to increase learning, to improve teaching and learning, and to help in schools. So every type kind of technology that we make use of in schools to improve teaching and learning can be referred to as education technology. So your smart boards, your even smartphones and laptops are now examples of education technology. So far they are used for teaching and learning. Your smartphones, your smart TVs, your smart boards, some kinds of projectors. These are all examples of educational technology. And there are these two technologies like apps that are also available and help teaching and learning, like YouTube, Udacity, Kahoot, Plickers. All of these are examples of education technology. Now, next is construction technology. Construction technology are the kinds of technology that we use in building, in constructing, in putting up edifices, like your tractor, like your cement mixer, like your crane, everything that you make use of in construction, in building. All of these are examples of construction technology, as you can see on the screen. Next is the entertainment technology. As the name sounds, these are technology that you make use of for fun, for entertainment, for relaxation, like your Bluetooth speakers, like your social media. When you go on Facebook, it's basically for entertainment. It's to smile and laugh. You go on any of the social media networks, your radio. These are all technology that was designed primarily for entertainment, for fun, for gaming, for relaxation, for watching movies. These are all entertainment technology. And finally, I will speak about transportation technology. These are technology that makes movement faster, makes you to move from one point to the other, and does that faster, does that efficiently, like your trains, especially the electric trains, the aeroplanes and jets and helicopters, even our simple cars and motorcycles. Everything that helps movement, that helps to move people and goods efficiently is referred to as transportation technology. Of course, there are very recent types of technology like artificial intelligence, which we didn't speak about, but all of these are the different broad categories of technology. Now, I will end this video at this point, and in the next video, I will be talking about technology related careers and the impact of these different technologies on our society. Thank you.